All new at 5, a man who spent the last year in jail convicted of murder will get a second chance in court. An appeals court granted a new trial for the Cleveland man, saying it appears he acted in self-defense. News Channel 5's Ted Cortan picks up the story.
The judgment handed down yesterday reversed the murder conviction of 55-year-old Carl Kozlosky, sentenced to 18 years to life for killing a man in his home 2 years ago.
According to the Court of Appeals, he had every right to defend himself inside his home.
Kozlosky's trial lawyer told me today the reversal was based on Ohio's self-defense laws and what's called the Castle Doctrine.
If an intruder enters your home unlawfully and without your permission or consent, that you have every right to defend yourself with deadly force.
The jury in this case heard from lots of witnesses.
Brent Curvell was one of the prosecutors on the case. He says what happened at Kozlosky's home, which has since been torn down, dealt not with an intruder, but with someone Kozlosky knew and involved other circumstances and evidence which were all presented to the jury.
They, being the jury, made the determination that they were not satisfied with Mr. Kozlosky's testimony.
Still, the appellate court ruling found 10 different errors in the trial court's handling of the case and reversed the conviction based on the manifest weight of the evidence.
The weight was so one-sidedly in favor of the defendant that the jury should have found him not guilty.
He does have to come back to court. This case is not over.
Prosecutors say they are now reviewing their options. Meanwhile, Carl Kozlosky remains incarcerated at the Mansfield Correctional Institute, hoping he will be set free. On your side in Cleveland, I'm Ted Cortan, News Channel 5.